Guys, Digital Rakesh channel guys. So guys, today we discuss topic about that Instagram payment setup. So we are previous any type of Instagram ad will be created purpose. We are using for Facebook Ads Manager. Now it will be changed. So any Instagram account, this is the Arun Academy here. So guys who are looking for 10th class, 1 to 9th class, anybody looking for subjects like maths, science, biology, kind of chemistry, kind of thing, but they are coming like chemistry, physics, and biology. This app will be suitable for class 1 to 10, like state board and CBSE. They give the very flexible price and look into this. So in this application to promote Instagram, how we can set up the payment. So there is a worry about that, how we can promoting for payment option. In this purpose, that is called, we have to set up the payment will be on your mobile here. So we are using for Facebook Ads Manager. There is a desktop version. If you mobile version, where I can add the payment structure. So how we can add the payment structure? People are worried. So that is worry we can resolve here. Now you can click this option. They are coming with the setting option. When coming to setting, the option, if you are going to Android or iOS, the option name is called business. In this business, that option name is called promotion payments. What are the payments you can add? Here, one small drawback is there. If you add the payment structure in this, the Paytm does not support on your Instagram. You can use API, any kind of UPI payment, anything will be possible. So add funds will be here. So what are the funds? Here will be account preparing to add fund here. The fund right now adding for 100 rupees. So the new prepaid balance will be 1016.90. So 9 rupees already will be there, 6 to 90 paisa. Now adding for 1000, it will be there. Suppose I'm adding for this budget. I'm suppose adding for 500. There will be adding for 516.90 paisa. Nothing but already 16 rupees 90 paisa is available by in this account. So what are the options? Debit or credit card, UPI, Paytm, net banking. So now I'm adding the balance will be here. Paytm. If you add the Paytm, they will be facing some issues in Paytm. Use the API code. So now I'm adding the Paytm structure for the payment. So now I'm using for UPI method will be payment structure. Now I'm adding the payment here. Just we'll click the UPI option. Now click for add fund option. They go to the your UPI option here. So now I'm going to the adding the payment structure. Due to the security reason, I have to hold this option how we can pay this amount. So I can see I'll add the amount. I'll show you after adding the amount structure. So now I'll go with them. So here add your UPI code. What are the UPI code you have? Add the your budget here. Finally, payment added by the in a particular date. There will be a particular transaction will be here. Now go back. So the payment added successfully. Now you can start your Instagram ads by using this option. So any payment will be, we can go to option name is called, here is the option. Click for settings. Here click for business. In this we click for the promotion payments. What are the payment you can add? Add the budget will be here. Here two option will be show the option. Add new payment method with the Facebook account. But I'm not using Facebook and I can use it that will be Instagram account. Click here, add the payment option. So right now my balance will be 516.89 rupees will be there into my prepaid balance. So this is the way to activate into the Facebook manager payment on your Facebook account to Instagram. That is the first step. This will be Instagram payment setup. Will be adding for Instagram app will be using for add the payment option. Don't forget, Instagram is business account will be supporting to add the payment, and we can start to ads by add the payment option. Follow these instructions and working on your particular Instagram payment setup. Any further doubts, you can ask me to my channel how we can help for Instagram ads creation, payment structure. Will be any doubts, you can ask me to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.